Good morning. I'm Jen Amos with Weiss Research, and this is your morning market alert for Thursday, October 27th. After an all-night session, European leaders said they secured a deal to reduce Greece's debt. This is billed as a blockbuster package to stem the continent's debt crisis. It includes a voluntary 50% reduction of Greece's debt in the hands of private investors. Plus, there are provisions to boost the firepower of the Eurozone bailout fund to around $1.4 trillion and recapitalize European banks. The euro rallied versus a broadly weaker U.S. dollar on news of the deal. Equity markets in Asia and Europe soared, and U.S. stock futures are up sharply as investors cheered the agreement. On the earnings front, Dow Chemical reported third quarter net income rose 59%, beating expectations. Sales rose by double digits % across all operating segments and geographies. Pricing rose 17%, offsetting higher feedstock and energy costs. ExxonMobil's profit topped $10 billion and beat analyst estimates. Its shares are up more than 1% in pre-opening. Procter & Gamble came in with its fiscal first quarter net income down 1.9% on 8.9% higher sales. Bristol-Myers Squibb missed expectations with a third quarter profit of $969 million, up from $949 million. Volkswagen said its net profit in the first 9 months rose nearly fourfold, and revenue increased 26%. It was helped by rising vehicle sales and a sizable book gain on its options to take over Porsche Automobile Holdings' sports car unit. Royal Dutch Shell announced that profit for the third quarter more than doubled, driven by strong oil and rising natural gas prices, and as major projects ramp up production. The rise in profitability also reflected a stronger than expected performance by the company's refining and marketing business. Yesterday, Visa announced fourth quarter profit of $880 million, up from $774 million a year ago, beating analyst estimates. Revenue rose 13%. Also late yesterday, Ameriprise reported a dip in third quarter profits, hurt by lower returns in its bond and equity funds. Sales jumped 8%, helped by double-digit growth in management and distribution fees. Later this morning, we'll get a look at the latest jobless claims numbers, plus the third quarter GDP. That's the latest from Weiss Research. I'll be back after the opening bell with all the market reaction.